Walang technicality. The Constitution does not really allow your company, of which you are a worker of that company. You are a Filipino who has allowed to abuse our country. And you are an active participant of that. Ayan ang mahirap. In the name of the Holy Grail of press freedom.
Thank
Yan
you.
ang totoo talaga yan.
Thank you, Pia. Next question, Ms. Rose Novenario.
Sumobra kayo. I am now explaining even with your article. Find a way na masabi ka nagtotoo, nag-intervene kami. I'll give it to you. And if you can find, I will ask Bong to resign tomorrow. Work on it tonight. Let me know tomorrow and I will fire him. If he did intervene, even for one word. Kasi kayo, tignan ninyo yung mga article ninyo. Maligaya kayong gawain nyo sa kapwa-tao ninyo yan araw-araw. Just because you have the power of, press freedom. The issue here is not press freedom. The way your masters, the elite, yung may-ari niyan, and you are not even constitutionally allowed to go into the media with the pretext of yung depository. What kind of a salam of which is that? Pati ako ilang. You're not only throwing toilet paper, you're throwing shit at us.
Hi, sir. Good evening
Sumubra
po.
kayo. Talaga.
Sir, good evening po.
Man, yung amo mo, anong kaso niya? Why do you do research about people? Why don't you research about your own company you're working with? It's known to be a group of companies Lopez before. They borrowed billions from itong bangko na DBP. They never paid. You know what happened at the end of the day? It was condoned by the powers because they are the elite. Yan ang ano. Dapat kayo ang kalaban ng mga komunista, hindi kami. Inquirer. How long did you hang on to that goddamn Mylong? 50 years. Nag-expire na lang, they were continue collecting the rentals there when it was no longer theirs, money of the people. Tapos, ang sabi, poverty and poverty, sulat, it's poverty. Kayo nga ang nakawan dyan. It's not a question of press freedom. It's a question of abuse and protection by the elite of this country to hold the power. It's about time that kayong mga mayaman, putang ina, huminto kayo, kakaabuso ninyo. Ginagamit na yung media eh. Nagpamakalin niya kayo nga inquiry, yung pala mga magnanakaw kayo. Ito naman si Hinares from a billion taxes. Why don't you trace that up? Pagdating kay Hinares, naging 8 million na lang. Kaya sabihin ko sa BIR, ipakuha ko nga. Karami yung skeleton in the closets. It can contain almost 1,000 warehouses.
Ms. Rose Novenario.
Bastusan. Bastusan tayo. Pero kayong mga yaman, hindi kayo makakalamang sa amin. Wala kayong makuha sa amin. Tignan ninyo, one of these days I'll file a plunder case. Pag pinayag ko plunder case, you will go to jail without a bail. Tignan ninyo. Gago kayo. Yung inyong mga reporter, they will be allowed to criticize us. But you go to jail for your crime. Or crime. Pero kayo, you continue being employed. Hindi namin ipasira. Hindi ko ipasira yan. Bakit ko ipasira? Hindi ko kilala yung Putang inang sect na yan. Puro Aquino yung trabahante dyan. Bakit daw kami ang curtailment of press freedom? Katagal na ninyo naglumilitse sa amin. Kitain na nga, tinatapon ninyo sa amin. Kayong pa kayong magsabi ng curtailment of press freedom?